The team behind Rainbow has been hard at work in 2024 to deliver perhaps one of the most seamless EVM wallet experiences that we've tried. Rainbow has the obvious stuff. It supports a slew of major EVM chains and L2s, a full suite of NFT management features, swapping, bridging, and also hardware wallet support. But with extensive hotkey integration, it is perhaps the first wallet extension that you can use without a mouse. Besides being a browser extension on Chrome, Brave, Firefox, and soon Safari, it has great support on both iOS and Android mobile devices as well. But in this video, we'll be going through the desktop version. Let's jump right in by downloading the Rainbow wallet extension on your browser. Visit rainbow.me and click on the download button at the top right corner. Select the option according to the browser of your choice and install the extension from the plugin store. For Opera users, you can choose the option for Chrome, and just a note that the experience on Firefox at the time of shooting is also somewhat incomplete. It only allows you to import 12-word seed phrases, but not ones with 24 words. Hardware wallets are also not supported on Firefox. Now, remember to double check that you're installing the wallet from the official website to avoid any potential imposter apps. Now that you've installed Rainbow, let's get started with setting up a new wallet. You'll have the option to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. If this is your first time creating a wallet, select Create a New Wallet to generate a new wallet with a new seed phrase. Now, make sure to back up your seed phrase or secret recovery phrase. When you're ready, click on Reveal Your Recovery Phrase and write down the 12 words in the exact order shown on screen, and keep this safe. Also, do not reveal this to anyone. After that, click on I've saved these words, and then you'll be asked to select the 4th, 8th, and 12th word from your secret phrase to verify it. After you're done, or if you've skipped it because you like living your life dangerously, create a password to lock your wallet on your device. Now, your Rainbow wallet is ready to use. Use the hotkey Shift-Alt-R or Option-Shift-R on Mac to open up your Rainbow wallet. If you would like to import or restore an existing wallet instead, click on Import or Connect a Wallet and select Import with a secret recovery phrase or private key. If you're importing an entire wallet using a seed phrase, select the first option, then enter your 12 or 24-word seed phrase. After you're done entering your seed phrase and adding your existing wallet to Rainbow, create a password for your wallet to complete the setup. The process is largely the same if you would like to import a specific address instead of an entire wallet. Simply select the option to import from a private key, enter the 64-character private key of your address, and proceed. You can also connect your Ledger or Trezor hardware wallet to Rainbow as well. Now that you have your wallet set up, it's time to fund your Rainbow wallet. To deposit or receive crypto on Rainbow, click on Copy or type C on your keyboard to copy your wallet address. You can then paste this address into the platform that you're sending crypto from or share it with the person that you're sending crypto to. You can also bring up your wallet address's QR code by using the hotkey Q. Remember to double, triple check the address or consider sending a smaller test transaction to avoid any lost funds. Depending on network traffic and the EVM blockchain that you choose, your crypto should arrive within 1 to 20 minutes. Once your crypto arrives, you'll see your token balance updated on your wallet dashboard along with the network that it's on. If a token doesn't show up on Rainbow, you may have to add its residing network to your wallet. To do this, click the button on the top right of the dashboard to head to Settings, or press the comma key on your keyboard. Select Networks on the settings page, then click on Add Custom Network. On this page, click on Network Name, and you should see a drop-down menu listing numerous networks. You can scroll through the list to find your preferred network, or simply type its name in the search box. After selecting a network, the details like RPC URL, symbol, and and block Explorer URL will be filled in automatically. Just click Add Network and your tokens will appear on your wallet dashboard. As for sending crypto from your Rainbow wallet, click the Send button or use the hotkey S on the wallet dashboard. Enter the receiving wallet address and the desired token. In the drop-down list, you should see your tokens and their respective networks shown in the smaller icons next to their token logos. If a token is on the Ethereum mainnet, however, the token will not have the network icon beside it. Check the estimated gas fee and click on Review to confirm the details of your transaction. Rainbow will then show you the amount, token, receiving wallet address, as well as the network you're sending crypto on. Take your time to double check that all the details are correct. Once everything looks good, confirm you're sending crypto on the right network by checking the box, then hit the Send button. After that, you'll be brought to the activity page where you can see your wallet's transaction history. If you want to take a closer look at a specific transaction, just click on it to view the details. An interesting feature on Rainbow is impersonation mode, which enables you to add any wallet address to your wallet in read-only mode. To do this, click on your wallet address at the top of your dashboard or use the hotkey W to bring up the list of wallets on Rainbow. Click Add another wallet and select Watch an Ethereum address at the bottom of the list of options. Then enter a wallet address or ENS name that you would like to watch and then proceed. You should see a new read-only wallet address being added to your list of wallets. With this, you'll be able to view the token balance, NFT collection, as well as the transaction history associated with the wallet as if it's yours. Rainbow has integrated a comprehensive set of hotkeys covering many key functions of its browser extension wallet to create a snappy wallet user experience. While we've only covered just a few of its hotkeys, for the power users out there, Rainbow has provided a cheat sheet for its hotkeys, so we'll link it in the description below. However, when in doubt, press K on your keyboard to bring up the search menu within Rainbow and quickly find a specific feature that you need. And that's everything you need to get started with Rainbow as your next EVM wallet on your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more future guides. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.